morning here in California, and it's a big day for the R8. We're going to be taking it to HTL Motorsports in Santa Clara to get some mods done to it. Very excited to finally get the front lip on the car and get the monster truck lowered a little bit, as well as finally open up the exhaust. So very excited for the R8, finally getting some mods done right before Monterey Car Week, which should be great to have a little bit more fun with the car. But HTL Motorsports is such a great shop to take your car to, so if you need anything done, please hit them up. But yeah, R8 is not going to be stock anymore. It's going to finally start to feel like my own personal car. Very excited for it. So alright guys, on the way to HTL. Like I said, super excited to get these mods on. Cool little road here in California called Vasco. It's a little bit like a somewhat canyony road, more like a valley road, but super cool views. Relatively light traffic normally, so always a good time here. And yeah, just really excited to get this exhaust on, get these springs on, and finally improve the outside look with the front lip, which should be super nice to finally get on. Well, in typical California fashion, slow traffic, which is always fun. But as I was saying, guys, super excited to finally get this car modded out. It doesn't really feel like your own until you start putting parts on it. So once we get the exhaust, lower it, get that lip on it, it'll have that good OEM plus look that I kind of had on my M4. I'm still debating on like wheels right now. Last time I did just like CS wheels, so relatively OEM. But I was thinking about maybe going BBS. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like following a trend a little bit. So that might be a way I go. Someone offered me a couple other type of wheels. So we'll see how it looks on the stocks when we lower it, put some spacers on it. Who knows, maybe it'll look relatively good. We're just kind of step by step right now. We're kind of doing a few mods at the same time. I figured it would be good for a video, and plus have to get it ready for Monterey Car Week. But I think with the lip, lowering it, and the exhaust on it, it'll start to like bring a little bit more character out of the car. So I'm super excited for that. And we'll probably do a couple sound clips before, again, of the stock exhaust, just for the memories. And then we'll do some revs with the Quicksilver exhaust, which hopefully sounds really good. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but you never know with the exhaust until it's actually on there. So kind of taking a risk, getting one that I haven't heard in person and is from the other part of the world. So alright, we are at HTL. That's not going to be a fun way to leave, but it's all good. Alright boys, we're here at HTL. Got the lip, Quicksilver exhaust and suspension, and getting the car all fixed up. So it's gonna turn out killer. The dismembered R8. Excuse the loud noises. I think the car looks sick with no wheels on it. But yeah, making some headway on it. Got the carbon fiber wing, stock one. Alright, we got the bumper fully taken apart. Looks pretty insane. But yeah, exhaust is getting ready to come out. Everything removed. You got the cats there, but those are staying on the car, of course. But yeah, it's coming along great. And then we got our graveyard of parts right here. Everything, tail lights, exhaust will be going on, wing. But yeah, it's going great. Super excited for this to get put on the car. And the car just looks menacing with everything removed. Alright, exhaust is fully off now. Cat's exposed. Transmission looks pretty crazy. New exhaust right here, Quicksilver. The heat shields, and then you got the old clunker. The big old exhaust. But yeah, making some good headway here. Should sound pretty sick. While the car is getting worked on, let's check out HTL's shop car, the Tesla. Pretty slammed, looks super cool, honestly. These bronze wheels, this front splitter, you don't really see too many done up like this. Obviously the rear box is pretty special as well. But yeah, fitment with the raised wheels is fire. You got these side skirts. Then you also got the carbon rear little duckbill with the pretty aggressive diffuser. But yeah, not a huge Tesla fan, but this one's pretty sick. Looks super OEM plus, and these little fender flares kind of give it this, you know, widened stance. But yeah, pretty sick with this reflective wrap. It looks pretty good. This lip is on. Looks much better, way more aggressive than with no lip. Jeez. And then we are lower. Unfortunately, my spacers did not get shipped, so I do have a little bit of funky fitment right now, but overall it turned out much better than stock. Looks really good. Super happy with it. Alright boys, let's see what this sounds like. With the lip on there, looks solid, much more aggressive. Exhaust is on. We are ready. Even the idle with the new exhaust just sounds much more aggressive. Hide that muffler in there. Ooh. Looks really good. Really good. Alright, well, after those revs, she's pretty much all done. Fitment looks so much better. Holy cow. Whole new car. Looks incredible. That lip just looks way more aggressive too. Super happy with it. Again, big shout out to HTL Motorsports. Without them, none of this would be possible. So, and then Quicksilver for providing the exhaust as well. So, alright, let's do a quick pull. New exhaust is on. Honestly, it sounds insane. Let's hear it. Best feeling after you leave your shop with mods on your car, it's getting to Bay Area traffic. Nothing better. But yeah guys, huge difference with the Quicksilver exhaust. I mean, all the mods. I'm lowering the car, putting the front lip on. Like, the car has changed. I mean, this exhaust is extremely loud. And right now I'm in comfort mode, valves closed, and it's probably 2 times louder than being in performance mode with the valves open when it's stock. So Quicksilver, huge shout out to them. They're making an insane product. I'm super happy to finally get some open road to open the car up. But around town, leaving the shop, I was a little bit hesitant. Don't want to get state reffed right after getting the exhaust on. But yeah, really good things to come. Car Week is just around the corner, which is going to be super exciting. And then I should be clipping some exhaust revs and possibly a flyby at the end of the video. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm going to be spending the rest of my time in this, which is not as fun. But new videos coming soon, and each day of Car Week I will have a video coming out. So appreciate you guys. I will be enjoying the slow traffic in the R8, which is not very fun at all. And more vids coming soon.